Here we go, guys. Dumating na yung internet connection na in-order ko online. It's Midco. It's a provider here in Fargo. So, in-order siya online, creating account. And it's a self-installation lang siya. So, i-unbox natin. So, ganun lang kabilis yung pag apply ng internet connection here. So no need for long wait. So just 2 to 3 days dumating yung package via UPS. So unbox natin. Here, I think it includes the modem and the router. So here, what's this natin? So this is the UPS address. Yan, so Midco, how to your house. What's that? No. What's that? Ito na yung box. Maybe ito yung router siguro. Okay, hirap gawakan. Wala tayong selfie stick or iPad. There you go. What's this? Welcome to Midco Internet. I will find site equipment, cords, installation, instruction out of this world Wi-Fi. Okay. Midco. Ito yung pads na sinasabi nila. Basically, ito yung parang Wi-Fi wireless, and then this is the modem. Ganun lang siya kasimple din installation. I think, yeah, I don't know how they get the signal. Okay, let's go. So, bye-bye muna guys, and aralin ko muna kung paano i-set up ito. Bye-bye. Here we go guys, have completely installed the internet. So we have the modem, the Wi-Fi pads. So this is extendable with multiple ports.
Another offensive rebound. This one is a gimme for Diop.
Great. Hey guys, I'm going to show you the Midco account dashboard. So after installing the modem and Wi-Fi pod, you can see here that the connection has been established and your internet connection is already up and running. Okay, and also we have under the menu, we have the billing. We have the access to your billing statement where you can set up your payment method. Also, going back, we have services menu where you can modify and upgrade your internet speed. Here, yep. So instantly you can modify your internet speed with additional charges. And then under the account settings, we have the connect a friend, wherein you can refer a friend where both you and your friend will receive a $75 credit under your account. And last but not the least, the vacation plan. There's a feature here, the vacation plan, where you can pause your service if you are planning to go on a vacation for at least 30 days, maximum of 6 months. So during that time, you won't be charged on that duration. Yeah, so yeah, I was amazed how fast and convenient to apply your own internet connection here in the US. So that's it, guys. Hope you like my walkthrough on how to apply and set up your own internet connection.